So what are 2 to 3 protocols, habits, mindsets, let's call them shortcuts because everybody likes shortcuts, you would share could help you with your longevity and to live a longer health span?
I just gave one of them, red light in the shower. Holy heck. When I got my first red light, which if you don't know about red light technology, it's absolutely amazing. I put it on my knees, my beat up college knees from back squatting 690, and I couldn't squat. Could not squat but once a month as a 28-year-old. And now I'm squatting once or twice a week with weight because I'm doing red light every single night in the shower. So red light is a game changer in my life for biohacking my body. Another thing that I love doing, something that's been more recent and way harder for me. It's the same advice I gave earlier, stare at a tree. Do quiet time where I stop my brain from running. And I was ADHD as a kid. And now I'm spending at least 10 minutes every morning, no sound, no phone, no nothing, just letting my body get into sync, which it's been increasing my energy so much. And this is something that I resisted so hard knowing it was good for me. It just didn't feel like me. So those are my 2 things that I do every single day that are super easy biohacks.
My son actually and daughter have ADHD, and so I drag them into my meditation sessions from time to time. And it is actually the first time I kind of forced him and her to do it. In my mind, I realized a timeout, like this was meditation was basically a timeout, right? Because it was, and in fact, it was longer than their time frame, right? Is usually when we started it a couple times. So I'm glad I'm getting him at least aware of it, like even if he doesn't like it at this point.